Welcome to Marbella, a Mediterranean paradise on Spain's Costa del Sol. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the heart of this vibrant town. We'll start in Marbella's charming old town, where whitewashed buildings and narrow streets lead us to the beautiful Plaza de los Naranjos, a lively square filled with history. From there, we'll continue to the magnificent Church of the Incarnation. Then, we'll head down to the lovely beach. Next, we'll admire the fascinating Salvador Dalí statues. From there, we'll visit the lively marina, where luxury yachts and stylish restaurants set the scene for Marbella's glamorous lifestyle. Plaza de los Naranjos. This charming square, dating back to the 15th century, is surrounded by historic buildings and filled with orange trees that give it its name. At the center stands a beautiful Renaissance-style fountain, a peaceful spot where both locals and visitors gather to enjoy the relaxed atmosphere. Around the plaza, you'll find cozy cafes, restaurants, and boutique shops, making it the perfect place to soak in Marbella's Andalusian charm. One of the most notable buildings here is the Casa Consistorial, the town hall, built in 1568. As we continue through Marbella's old town, we take a stroll down a picturesque alleyway, lined with whitewashed walls adorned with vibrant flower pots. This charming path leads us to one of the town's most iconic landmarks, the Church of the Incarnation. The approach itself is magical, as the alley opens up to reveal the grand facade of this magnificent church. Built in the 16th century, the Church of the Incarnation is a stunning example of Baroque architecture, with its intricate details and striking bell tower. As we step inside, we find ourselves immersed in a peaceful yet powerful atmosphere. The supper service is underway. Whether you're here for faith, history, or simply to admire the beauty of the church, this experience captures the soul of Marbella in a way that words can hardly describe. Leaving the Church of the Incarnation, we wander down a charming alleyway, where whitewashed walls and flower-filled balconies create a picture-perfect scene. The scent of jasmine lingers in the air as the narrow path leads us to a hidden gem, the Capilla de San Juan de Dios. This small 16th-century chapel was once part of a hospital founded by the Order of St. John of God. Its simple white facade hides a peaceful interior, where soft golden light illuminates the beautifully preserved altar. After exploring Marbella's historic old town, we make our way down to the beach, where the golden sands stretch out before us. As we walk toward the water, the gentle waves lap at the shore, inviting us to take a closer look at the Mediterranean's shimmering blue waters. The cool breeze off the ocean is refreshing, and the sound of the waves provides the perfect soundtrack for this peaceful moment. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. As we pan the camera along the coastline, we're treated to a stunning view of Marbella's city skyline. The contrast between the sandy beach, the lush palm trees, and the elegant white buildings of the city creates a picture-perfect scene. Marbella's natural beauty and modern charm blend together, making it a true Mediterranean gem. Marbella is home to many artistic treasures, but perhaps none are as striking and surreal as the Salvador Dalí statues that grace the town. These larger-than-life sculptures, inspired by the world-renowned surrealist artist, offer a unique and thought-provoking experience for visitors. Marbella is home to many artistic treasures, but perhaps none are as striking and surreal as the Salvador Dalí statues that grace the town. These larger-than-life sculptures, inspired by the world-renowned surrealist artist, offer a unique and thought-provoking experience for visitors, bringing Dalí's eccentric and imaginative vision into the public eye. One of the most famous pieces here is the Woman with a Head of Flowers, a stunning and thought-provoking sculpture that features a female figure with a head that transitions into a cascade of vibrant flowers. It's a seamless blend of human form with nature, creating an otherworldly effect that challenges our perception of reality. Another iconic piece is the Elephant with a Tall Structure on its Back, which features Dalí's characteristic distorted, elongated elephant standing on spindly, almost fragile legs. This statue captures the tension between strength and fragility, a theme Dalí often explored in his work. The surreal proportions and the towering, ornate structure on the elephant's back evoke a sense of awe, pulling us into Dalí's imaginative world. Dalí's ability to challenge reality and explore the subconscious mind is on full display here. Each statue seems to invite us to look beyond the surface, encouraging us to interpret and engage with the art in our own unique way. As we walk around the sculptures, we can appreciate the intricate details, from the delicate textures on the flowers to the elongated forms of the figures. These statues aren't just objects, they're a conversation with the viewer, urging us to question our perceptions and see the world differently. These statues are not only in homage to Dalí's genius but also a reminder of Marbella's commitment to blending modern art with its rich cultural heritage. The public display of these works adds a sense of wonder to the town's streets, making art accessible and part of the daily life here. Walking through this outdoor gallery feels like stepping into the surreal world of Dalí himself, where the boundaries between the real and the imaginary are delightfully blurred. It's a must-see stop for anyone visiting Marbella, offering a unique glimpse into one of the most creative minds of the 20th century. Next, we arrive at the Marbella Marina, a vibrant hub where luxury and relaxation come together. Lined with sleek yachts and elegant waterfront restaurants, this marina reflects the town's glamorous side, offering a perfect blend of sophistication and seaside charm. Whether you're here for a scenic stroll, a bite to eat, or just to admire the stunning yachts, Marbella's marina is the perfect spot to soak in the Mediterranean lifestyle. As our journey through Marbella comes to an end, we take one last stroll through the charming streets of the town. Walking through these lively yet peaceful streets, we pass by small boutiques, inviting tapas bars, and hidden corners full of history and character. The scent of orange blossoms lingers as we take in the final moments of this unforgettable place. Marbella is a town of contrasts, where history meets modern luxury, where serene beaches sit alongside bustling marinas, and where every street has a story to tell. It's a place that invites you to slow down, explore, and simply enjoy the moment. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the content, visit our website and read our article on the subject to get more information. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss when we publish something new. Here are suggestions for a video and playlist that we think would be interesting for you. Take care. See you in another video.